Hello friends, I am Neeraj Sharma, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges. On the behalf of Guru KPO, I am presenting a JDBC concept which is the topic of Advanced Java. JDBC is basically the technique in Java by which we can connect the database to the front end application. Basically we have the front end and back end applications in the web based applications. So last topic in discuss, it provided the APIs. So APIs is a application programming interfaces by which we can connect the library functions or directly connected the classes and objects which is connected to the functions with the classes. We have four type of drivers which is have the connectivity to the databases. So type 1 driver which is called JDBC ODBC driver. So in JDBC ODBC driver, basically we have the Java database connectivity, open database connectivity driver. So in open database connectivity driver, it is used the third party tool. So we have the Microsoft technology inside ODBC. So JDBC directly connected with the ODBC driver, and then after that we can use the API, and API will be connect to the databases. In type 2 driver we have the part Java part native driver. In part Java part native driver, basically we have include some API classes which is specific classes and which is using some third party tools. So let us discuss about the type 1 driver which is called JDBC ODBC driver. Basically JDBC ODBC driver provide open database connectivity with Java database. So it provide the JDBC access via ODBC drivers. So first of all we must to load the ODBC driver, then with binary code from client machine, then we can use this type of driver to interact the client to the user or with the server. So it is very important driver which is used 2-tier and 3-tier application. Basically 2-tier and 3-tier application are the separate applications which is used to define that we have the 2 layers or 3 layers to connectivity with the databases. So separate JDBC ODBC API and connection provide this type of drivers. Now discuss about the part Java part native driver which is type 2 driver. Basically in part 2 driver we have the ODBC part is replaced with a native code part. So native code part is a third party part which is included into the particular ODBC part. So native code part is targeted at a specific database which is called JDBC interface is directly reflect with the Java database part and driver part, and then after that native part is another layer which is include in between the Java native part and database. Basically in type 3 driver, basically we have the JDBC interface which is called an intermediate server. Intermediate server we have to be purchased particularly in separately. So intermediate server that connect the database on the behalf of JDBC driver. So first of all JDBC interface is directly connect with the JDBC driver part, and then intermediate server, and then intermediate server will directly send the data to the databases. Discuss about the type 4 driver. Type 4 driver basically a pure Java driver. It is a pure Java driver which is directly connect with the vendor's database. Vendor is basically provide the usually provide the driver which is to the directly to the database. It is directly connect the database application or Java application with the databases. So it is highly performed database driver which is also called the thin driver. So basically we discuss about the 4 type of drivers which is related to the JDBC, and this JDBC is really connected to the basically to the databases to the front end application. Thanks to watch my video. Please subscribe, like and share my video if you like. Thank you so much.